Wooramel today, and we headed to Carnarvon to get a few things from the supermarket, and also Ryan has almost run out of beer. So we got here early, and then we realised that the bottle shops are not open until 12 o'clock. So we've been hanging out for the past couple of hours just in the van. We went to Mitre 10, bought some firewood and everything, and now it is 12 o'clock, so Ryan's run over to the bottle shop, and once he's all done there, we're going to head to Quobba. Come here, just before.
Oh, you just want video evidence.
Well, you didn't give me a kiss. Don't.
Alright, go. So, good start.
Yeah, really good start. So, we've got a few things to fill everyone in about.
Okay.
So, the last one that we did was when we left. No, we were in Enyabba.
Mm-hmm.
And where did we go after then?
Narran Rest Point.
That's right, yes. And we had a fire. We met
Interesting fella Rob and his dog Billy.
And Billy. Billy was my little hot water bottle for the night around the fire. And then the next day we got up and we headed to Wooramel, to the Wooramel Station, the riverside retreat. And it was a bit rainy.
And cold, wet,
and cold,
windy.
wet, windy, yeah.
Day one anyway. Oh no, it's probably more day two.
Yeah, true.
Day one was alright.
Yeah. So day one we didn't really do much, did we?
No.
Set up and spoke to the neighbours and
that's about it.
Yeah.
Few beers.
Yeah. The next day we got up early and we headed over to the artesian hot baths, which was lovely.
Not too bad. Bit muddy.
Yeah, they were a bit muddy in the morning. We actually went a bit later in the day and it was much clearer, but we didn't get any photos of it.
No.
So you just have to believe us. The river was actually running, which is very rare. I think they said it happens 2 to 3 times a year. So they had enough water to get the river running. And that night we had it was a curry night, wasn't it, at the station?
Yeah. Had a few more couples.
Yeah, met a few more people and
A few drunk guys on a fishing trip.
yeah. And we had the curry. They had live music, which was lovely, and we stood around the fire and met a few people. And then I went to bed, and you kept
one more with the boys.
Yeah, had one more with the boys around the fire, and that was about it. But I really like Wooramel. Oh, we went and had a look at the historical tip as well.
Plenty of cars.
Lots of cars, yeah, and
Shit.
yeah, basically. But yeah, I really liked Wooramel.
Yeah, it was good. Probably would have stayed down the other end next time just to see the difference.
At the riverbeds.
Yeah.
Yeah, we stayed on the grass sites, which was great. Good proximity of the baths and the cafe.
Too
and
many
everything.
kids.
Lots of kids.
Screaming kids.
We love kids, but we do like to have some seclusion when we go camping. So yeah, we left Wooramel this morning and we headed over to Carnarvon to stock up.
Made a bit of a mistake with the time and we had to wait for 2 hours for the bottle shops to open up.
Somebody ran out of alcohol.
So that was a bit of a bummer, but anyway.
Yeah, so we just hung out in Carnarvon for a couple of hours and then headed over to Quobba. Got the King Waves Kill sign that everybody does, and then
Put a sticker on it.
Put a sticker on it, so look out for it if you go there. And headed to Quobba Station. That's where we are now. It's a bit windy and
A bit blowy and a bit windy and
Yeah.
big swell, so I won't be fishing for a couple of days, but hopefully maybe Monday, Tuesday. See what happens.
yeah. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some fish for dinner one night.
Yeah. Pray. That's about it.
Yeah. Alrighty. You're all updated. Some pretty flowers. Probably it's not So we've got leftover spaghetti bolognese tonight. So we're going to make jackals over the fire. So Ryan's scoping out some fishing spots and I'm looking for whales. I've seen a couple already. See if we can find some more. Whale watching again today. I've just seen some amazing things. They were just playing and breaching and flapping and their tails were going up. It was amazing. I think I got some of it on video. Oh my god, I can see like 3 right now.
best they can get in water, I've seen.